So considering the Trent Zimmerman article above, the general context is that the South Australian government intend to introduce a tax which will impact the sale of electric cars. And the contention of this piece is that introducing that tax will defeat the purpose of the introduction of electric vehicles in the first place, and it de-incentivises consumers to buy them. The intention of this piece is that the government should introduce incentives to those who purchase and own electric vehicles to help take up the model and further enable the country's zero emissions goal. Just a little memory booster for you to help you with the difference between intention and contention. Intention is what you want to happen. You might have the intent to kill, but you may not be successful. But the concept is you're going to try. Just a little thing I was taught when I was at school that I have remembered ever since. Today, I want you to read through the booklet that we've given you, use the online research and also Mr. Lupus's video, and I want you to write a summary of about 100 words on what this issue is. Be sure you outline the background, how did it become an issue, and generally what people are saying. In this, I do not care about your opinion. I just want you to tell me what the context is, what's going on. Second, I want you to outline your point of view by writing a contention. You need to have a really clear contention that is logical, factual, and hard to argue with. Once you've done those, please submit them on link